So, one bowl, it's called SUKAT किंवा dry shrimp, small type. But mummy तू म्हणते याच्यापेक्षा थोडीशी मोठी असली पाहिजे, right? Karandi. So according to my mom, it should be slightly bigger than this. But for one bowl of this dry shrimp, we have 2 onions, finely chopped. Then we need turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder or red chili powder, spicy if you want it spicy, cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala, and some salt. Be mindful that this is salted and dried, so it's already very salty. And then we also need some oil for cooking and a wok. So let's start the process. Let me show you how we make this sukat. Keep a bowl of water ready here because we are going to dry roast the shrimp or the sukat or the dry prawn, and we are going to add it in a bowl full of water here. So filling a bowl. Now we are going to add this in the water. Some oil to this. Gas is on. It needs a bit of oil, right? हे किती असेल? 1 tablespoon पर्यंत? 2 tablespoons or 1.5 maybe. Now we'll add the onion. हळू टाका म्हणजे हात सांभाळ. Nicely fry. ब्राउन करायचं की गुलाबी? पिंक. अच्छा, म्हणजे so mommy is saying you have to roast it or fry it till it's pink because onion imparts the taste, right? Water. It's gonna cook in the water, onion water. Now we have to gently, we've soaked it in water, now we have to gently just remove the top because the mud settles down, the dust or the dirt settles down. So we have to gently take the top and transfer it to a strainer. Let me just do it this way. Yeah. So now the onions are nice and pink. Now mummy is going to add the strained sukat. Now mummy is going to start by adding salt. So around 1/4 teaspoon. Like I said, because this is salty, you be very judicious with salt. Then she's adding cumin powder. 1 teaspoon. Then this is dhania powder or coriander powder, again 1 teaspoon. 1 heap teaspoon. This is garam masala, little, like around 1 teaspoon only. This is turmeric, half teaspoon turmeric, and this is Kashmiri chili powder. This is 1 heaped or 1.5 heap teaspoon. Now we'll give it a nice mix. Sprinkle little water on it. That's all. Now reduce the flame and give it a nice mix and then cover it and keep. Now we've covered it and let it be covered for like 2-3 minutes and then we'll open and check. Just gonna add some coriander. This is done. This is cooked. कसं समजते शिजली? So this is tiny fine. So this is cooked, doesn't take too much time, hardly maybe 4-5 minutes. I've tasted salt is a little less, so you can add some more salt. So I will ask mom to add some more salt and just garnish it with coriander, fresh coriander leaf. That also gives a nice taste. Thoda sa sweet, that's all. So that's it, friends. I hope you liked today's sukat recipe and I hope you try it at home. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.